Hi, too. When you work in your garage, you need to get you some off and spray mosquitoes and spiders or whatever. They don't like it. They don't like it. They don't like it. It pisses them off. Oh, you come back for some more? Oh, you gonna keep on? You gonna keep on? Come on. Come on, Cletus. Come on, Cletus. Come on. Oh, you want some more? Come on, Cletus. I guess Cletus done had enough. But yeah, that's what I do. I just keep off. You go in the corners. You spray your spiders, mosquitoes. They will vacate. They don't like it. It also leaves a smell inside here that will, the mosquitoes don't want it. All right, let me get back to what I was doing. All right, Tube Black here. What I did the first time did not work. So I went back inside and watched the video again. And I think I figured out what I did wrong. I'm supposed to use the vice grip to take the door up. Hook your vice grip and leave it up to this angle right here. And now I'm gonna wrap the cable around. Get this to lock in like that. Then feed your cable around this first thing right there. Make sure it's all the way around. Alright, when you get it around that first one, when you take it next to it, take it around again. And it hurts if this cable is so damn stiff. Alright, and then you get it to go to third loop next to it. Do that? Nope, that's for me. God. I think I should have took the door up a little bit higher. I'll take it over one more. skipped over one. Come down and hook it on that. Can't see it on the camera, but we got it hooked on now, and I think it's wrapped up correctly. I think. So we gotta do the other side. This side is wrapped up, but it's not wrapped up correctly. But let's see will it work. You know, before I let this down, I'm gonna take that loose and rewrap it. Hi Tube, sorry I don't have video of me wrapping this thing. All right, this one hasn't come loose. This is the last one. Now it wasn't loose, but I unwrapped it to wrap it back up in line. So now I'm gonna take the vice grips loose and what else I gotta do? Oh, I gotta plug this back up, put this back in gear, plug this back up. And it should close. Oh man, don't tell me it came loose. It shouldn't have came loose. That one's still tight. This is still tight. So now it should go down. I'll be damned. Close, mother, close. What the hell you stopping for? The cable looks like it's tight. Cable looks like it's tight. I think the thing's got to reset itself. So, hopefully, I think it's fixed, y'all. The cable's wrapped back up correctly. The cable's wrapped back up correctly. This is in line. That one is close enough. That one's close enough. That one's kind of close. I think it'll be okay. I don't know how can I get this to push. Maybe if I take a hammer and hit that, it might go in. This side has always been in line. All right, one last time. Why is it doing that? Would I have to hold the damn thing? Guess so. I've never had a garage door open, guys. Well, I'll be damned. Now I just need to get some insulation. Either this spring, that spring is kind of tight. That might be what the problem is. That spring is tight. So how do I loosen the spring up? Okay, it's got a set screw here, set screw there. I got to put a tool in here and here because I think that spring is too damn tight. Maybe not be. No, I think I'm gonna leave it alone. No, I think I'm gonna leave it alone. I mean, it opens and closes, but that part is not all the way down. What was it? Maybe I need to just loosen it up a little bit. Let me see what happens if I open it again. No, guys, I'm gonna leave it alone because I need to go get my apartment clean. It's still hooked up. It's still hooked up. I'm gonna leave it now. I'm just gonna back my Trailblazer back inside, take this ladder back to Jason, go to my apartment and finish cleaning, and I'll fine tune this damn thing another day. Dre, y'all have a good day.